One other thing that I want you to be careful of with these anchor straps, okay? Or to be just to be aware of, not necessarily to be careful. You do this inspection on this anchor strap, and you look at this thing and you're going, yeah, it's got kind of some greasy goo on here, something's a little messed up on this, but overall, kind of looks okay. And I'm not sure what the goo is, but this strap here costs $50. It's 50 bucks, okay? This is $7 or $8. You look at something like this and you're going to go, that's probably okay. It's a little nasty, but it's probably okay. You're not going to be very likely, I don't think you're going to be likely to take the 50 bucks and throw it in the trash because it's a little goofy, a little gooey. You take something like this and it's got a little fuzz on it or it's got a little damage to it, you're going, $7 or $8, pitch it, you know, or cut it in half and throw the dirty half away and I'll have a short piece now. You know, you're going to be more likely to get rid of inappropriate equipment if it doesn't cost a lot of money. You have a little bit harder time, I think, throwing this in the trash. So you might potentially find yourself using a piece of equipment that, and maybe the goo's nothing, maybe it's just a distraction. But maybe potentially you're going to hang on to something longer than you should have based on its cost. Okay, so don't be afraid to discard equipment through the proper channels. If you have a question about its serviceability, I'm just going to offer that if you're doing this, some of the problems associated with this go away, and you've got a product that, you know, when it gets wore out, you can pitch it and you can replace it very easily. A little bit of a kind of a philosophical discussion, maybe, something to think about.